If a flipping touchscreen and recording long hours is what you look for in the camera, please keep on watching. Good afternoon guys, today we're going to do a review on the Sony AX100 HD camcorder. This camcorder has been a very strong workhorse for me. Initially I bought it for recording events, performances which could last more than an hour. I knew my A7 II could not handle long recording, so I needed something more. Did I mention this can shoot 4K? I eventually find myself shooting majority of my YouTube videos with it as it has a responsive touchscreen, which is also flippable, basically allowing me to film myself without a second shooter. Currently, there aren't any flippable touchscreens in the Sony Alpha lineup, so I would say this will be the best option out there. Now let me go down on the specifications of this camera. It has a 1-inch CMOS sensor, which allows 4K recording at 25 FPS. And if you need 120 FPS high-speed recording at 720p. The stills that you can capture are at amazing 20 megapixels. Did I mention also that the sensor is image stabilized? Bye bye nasty camera shake. The built-in Zeiss Sonar T-Lens allows up to 24 times clear image zoom and 12 times optical image zoom, which is probably all the zoom you will ever need. The video formats available are XVAC, AVC HD, and MP4. It has a 0.39 OLED EVF and a 35-inch flippable LCD touchscreen, which is very responsive. Last but not least, it has two very essential wireless functions, which are Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity, to give convenience to your mobile or external devices. All in all, I'll give this a 9/10 rating as it has never let me down, and fulfills probably any demands you will ever need in the near future. The only thing I wish could be better is how it looks. I'll be glad to carry something way cooler than this. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this detailed review on the Sony AX100. Please leave down in the comments below on what do you think could be improved for future models. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.